Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. In this video I will explain what is the echo and print statement and how we can use it inside real projects. So first of all I will explain how we can use a echo and how we can use a print. It is the same but some part is a different work. So do you want to print the array means print the array, so you need to use like a print function. Is impossible to work echo. And suppose do you want to print like a string, so also work echo and also work print. So let's show you inside one example. I have already opened my index.php file here, and also I have started my server, and also here is their files. So let's make it start the PHP. Okay, and after I will explain how to use inside a real time projects. What is the main meaning about the printer? Echo to you can use inside real time, but what is the meaning about the printer? So it's good for you and good for me, so I can explain very well. Okay, so first of all I will create one variable total is equal to 100. Otherwise you can type like string inside 100, you can type like a number inside 100, whatever do you want to, like you can type it. So suppose you can make here echo 100, and I will save this file and I just go back, and here I will refresh. So you can see it is like a print the string. Suppose I can type like a welcome to PHP. So also here is a printing the same line, you can see it. So echo is a printing. I will show you last few videos so you can see it. Suppose we can do is a printer. Here I can make it printer, and I can put like a dollar total. Other total string, let's type a string because we are using string. So just you can change the total to string. Okay, and I save this file now, and I just go back again. So you can see two time print. Welcome to echo means welcome to PHP, welcome to PHP. Let's make it another example so we can explain what is the difference between echo and printer. So I will make it this comment code, and I just write another string here. Suppose one array, not string, array is equal to array. So here is automatic created array because the by default this is the editor creating array. Here I can type id, and here I can make like a value like a 10. There is one, and here I can make another array. Just copy, and I put here name, and I can put here is a value is equal to welcome. Okay, so let's print this array. Suppose I can put here array, okay, inside echo. So what does the output show? So you can understand. Just I save this file and I just go back, and you can see it here like a warning array to string conversion, because echo function is not possible to array to string conversion. Echo function always print means a string function, like whatever you can make a string you need to print inside a HTML browser, means this is browser, so you can use like echo function. Suppose we need to print like an array, so just you can use like this printer, and inside you can put like a one argument. Echo function inside you can do it like this, like you don't want to pass any parameter here, and printer inside you need to pass one parameter. Okay, this is the variable name $array. It is not like a, suppose you can make it like total array, so also can work. So don't worry about that. Suppose some people thinking, okay, here is the array, this reason here is the array name, but this is the our own name. Okay, and also we have passed this is the own name. This is the is equal to greater is the meaning about the is like sign, like this array work inside PHP, means one type of syntax. Okay, so let's save and just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it, array is printing, id inside one showing and name inside welcome showing. Suppose you can see it here. So whatever, suppose I can make it another one, like just copy and I paste, and I can put like a welcome. Otherwise I can make age, and I just put like a 23 25, whatever do you want to like, and I just save, and I just go back again and I refresh the page. So you can see it also age showing, but like this look is not showing look like an array, so we need to use here like a echo pre. Okay, just save and go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it like proper array showing. So this is the real time project. We are debugging any code, about the like we are getting the database inside a query wise database value we are getting. So we need to use a printer. Suppose I am using the core PHP, so we are using the printer, and also I am using the coordinator, so also I am using the printer. But suppose I am using the Laravel, so I will using the DD. Okay, die and dump DD means. So here's what is the meaning about debugging. Suppose I can start bottom is the HTML. Okay, welcome. I just type welcome. I can type hello, I am testing, and I just save this file. Let's make some zoom out so look like better. So this is the HTML file above your query. Okay, here is a query inside you are getting like this data. Okay, so I save this file. I just go back again, so you can see it showing the hello I am testing. Let's remove the printer. I don't want to need echo, and I just save this file and just go back. So you can see it like a hello I am testing with showing HTML. Okay, but I just need to debug only PHP. So real-time project, just back to pre, and I can check, make it die here. So whatever bottom code about the HTML is just stopping about the dying. So real-time project we can check, okay, ID against data is getting the goods, welcome is inside data is getting the good, and age inside data is we are getting the goods. So I save these files and I just go back again. So here is a printing like this array, and bottom one not showing because we are using dry, otherwise bottom already there code. And also you can see title also not showing here. So I can understand real-time project inside. Okay, ID against this reason we can make it proper way. Suppose I need to print for this array, so just make it here another way, array, get array. Okay, I can show you how we can print out. And here I can start the PHP, and I can make it for each, and it has a value. This is the loop I can explain later, but I just showing the echo function inside how to use the array. So echo value is equal to ID. Okay, I just save this because we are using the array, so no need to use the object, just using the array sign here. So is the array like this work. Suppose object do you want to use, so is like before I show you like this. Okay, so let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. So offsets 0 tracking not showing. Okay, because this is the array it is not for each loop wise work, because array working different way. Suppose I can show you like one minute. I can make printer value so I can understand easily. I just go back again, refresh the page. So one welcome to, because automatic getting the data, you can see it like a printer against ID against automatic data get, name against automatic data get, and age against automatic data gets. Okay, because this is the simple array, this reason is working like for each loop. Suppose we are using the dimensional array like multi-dimensional array, so is not possible to like this work. We need to provide always here like ID, so we can know okay this ID against I need to get the data, because here is like a simple array working, this reason automatic get the data. But different between about the like we need to use the debug mode, so we are using the echo printer function. Echo function always we are using the like a testing, same like I show you. And I also die, let's show you again, and here I can make a 2 array. Okay, so just back and refresh the page so you can see it. And same thing we can do inside the echo function to print the value. So just you can type here echo and $value, so you automatically get the data about ID is equal to what their name is equal to what their age inside what is the there. Just save and just go back and refresh the page so you can see it. Also is a working like a echo wise, and also working is a printer wise. I already show you before printer wise. Let's show you again, so it's good for you. Just print here value, because here is a converting like string, so you can see it. So working very well, no issue. And I already explained what is the echo meaning, what is the printer meaning, and how we can using inside a real-time project because of the echo and printer. So but do you want to like this project, do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel, and you can share with your friends so you can learn about the PHP like a core PHP, like a clear the funda, because I am already explained like how to what is the echo and means what is the basic part and what is the real-time parts. So I hope do you want to enjoy, and thank you for watching.